I've heard stories of how neighbors are helping one another right here today and elsewhere. That's wonderful to hear. And my condolences to those. We've had at least one person who has sadly lost their life, many who are injured, many who are still in hospital. We're thinking of them, and obviously our condolences to the family of the person who has passed away.
This morning I was preparing myself for a meeting, and I would just switch on my laptop, and I heard this huge noise outside, and I ran outside. When I opened my front door, I saw sheets lying in the road, and when I looked to the right, I thought my roof was off, but luckily my roof was still intact. But my neighbors, 6 houses next to me, all the roofs were blown off, and one guy got injured. He was also working from home, and the wall collapsed onto him, and he got injured, and he was admitted to Constanceburg Hospital, but his wife was okay. I'm a bit shaken, but emotionally also not well. But luckily, through God's mercy, no one got injured that severely, because when you see the devastation that was here, more people could have gotten hurt, but through God's grace, everybody is okay.